Hi, it's Christian, founder at Karatun.com. We are the CCI leaders. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to predict your future. And don't think immediately to AI, to artificial intelligence. There are so many people out there that are asking questions to chat GPTs and this kind of stuff about their future. Meaning, it's the same as if you go to a fortune teller, basically. No, I'm dealing from an engineer point of view, this matter, and I can demonstrate that there are three secrets, three things. If you observe these three things carefully, you can predict your future. So pay attention. So number one, what you read, the books you read, and what you study, basically, during the day. This has a huge importance. And of course, according to how much time you dedicate to this, your future change. But most importantly, for now, focus on what you read. If you show me your library, I can tell you your future. Number two, the people you hang out with. So people you hang out with and the people you deal with, people you study with, are massively important. So also here, don't focus too much on the time, but on the quality of these people. Who are these people? What result these people have? And all these kind of things. If I see your friend, if I meet your friends, I can tell you your future. Number three, and this is the most important and critical, you need to understand how time works, how your time works. And no one knows. I can tell you because I have so many people in consultancy with me. They don't know. They don't know how their time works when they start working with me. So I can give you this today so that you can understand how it works. You just need to track, you need to measure it. And you need to be totally serious on this, not say, oh, I know what I do. I know where my time goes. I know. No, you don't know. You need to track. And you need to track in a very serious way. You need a week. Not 1 day, not 2 days, not 3 days. I can continue. You need a week, 7 days. And you need to track every single day, half an hour. And you just mark your activity. For example, cleaning the room, 30 minutes cleaning the room. Or say study, 30 minutes study, and you mark what you study. And relax, 30 minutes, relax. Checking Facebook, 30 minutes checking Facebook. Watching YouTube video about learning, YouTube video about learning, and so on. And you'll be shocked when you put together this data after 1 week, but you have to do it religiously, about how much time you waste. You'll be shocked. And generally, I ask this question before starting the consultancy to the students. You don't need, in that case, 1 week, because they change their habit, because they feel ashamed for what they do. Because also they know that I'm quite direct, so they want to prevent my observation. They don't even tell me, they correct before coming back in consultancy with me. So these three things together are so important. But why I tell you this, and in particular, how you can fix all these things. So pay close attention. At the end of the day, everything is about a decision you make. For example, you see me now, you say, oh, who's this guy jumping to my life now and told to me about how bad I manage my time and so on from the pink room? Who's this guy? Well, focus 1 minute on the pink room. And if you wonder why I have a pink room, the reason I have a pink room is because one day I have 3 children. One is my son, is a boy, is a little boy, 9 years old, and I had 2 twins daughters, 5 years old. And once I said, I want to stop making decisions. I was in the middle of the renovation of this room, which is one of my studios, the one where I focus mainly. And I said, I want to stop making decisions like colors or quality of products, this kind of stuff. I want to stop. And I said, I have 3 babies, so I will involve my babies because they are 3. Why they are 3? Well, if I ask 3 people, I am sure that I will break the tie, because at the end of the day, there will be a clear majority on one color, unless they choose 3 different colors. It's another thing. But in any case, I asked, and my little boy wasn't interested in this decision. And then my 2 daughters were extremely interested. Now, if you know how 2 twins daughters behave, you'll know that they disagree on everything. During a day, they can disagree between 50 and 100 times, and they fight. The only thing you can do is try to reduce the number of disagreements. And then people out there say that women are more agreeable. I think, okay, maybe because they don't have twins daughters. But in any case, they disagree really on everything. Everything. With one exception, the color of my studio. On that they were absolutely fine. They were certain the only color, the only possibility for my studio was pink, and became pink because I couldn't change my mind. And now when I look at the color of my studio, I think every day, you see, this is how life works. If you make a decision like that, then you have the consequence of a decision like that, and you have the same exact situation. Your life is the sum of your decisions, one after the other one. So what you read, the people you hang out with, and what you study, and what you talk about, and most importantly, how you use your time. So if you are 100% sure that this is the truth and this is the truth, you just need to make some change. You just need to make some change. What I say to everybody is observe. First of all, what you read is massively important. Introduce only useful things inside your library. Learn only useful things. Don't waste your time. Number 2, the people you hang out with. You need to be extra careful. If you notice that there are people that are trying to give you the worst possible information or very negative experience, emotion, you can't continuously stay there, and you need to reduce, and you need to surround yourself with people you want to match. So you need to understand who you want to become, and you want to deal with people at that level. If you can't, because you are not in a place where you can find them, you have to stay alone. It's plain and simple. You have to spend much more time alone, which doesn't mean that you don't spend any good quality time with the others, but you need to reduce it, and you need to stay more alone. But most importantly, you need to track your time. You need to become a person able to manage their activities. You can't manage the time completely. You can understand how you spend your time, but then you can manage your activities and you can understand what you need to do. So here, what we propose you is to learn CCIE and becoming a real CCIE engineer. So we propose you to start from the hands-on, live, so that we propose you to shock your current routine immediately from day one. We start on October 30th, so you have really a little amount of time now to make a decision. Make the decision, schedule a Zoom session with me right now. Thanks.